In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change miles to kilometers on Strava. If you're an avid runner, cyclist, or just love to track your outdoor activities, Strava is a fantastic tool to help you log your miles, or in this case, your kilometers. However, sometimes the default settings might not align with your preferred unit of measurement. So, if you're used to thinking in kilometers rather than miles, you'll want to make this simple adjustment to your Strava settings. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up your Strava account. This can be done through the Strava app on your mobile device or via a web browser on your computer. Once you're logged into your account, look toward the bottom right corner of the Strava app. You'll see an icon with your profile picture. Go ahead and tap that to open up your profile settings. Now, if you're using a web browser on your computer, you should see your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Within that menu, look for Settings. Now that you're in your settings, you need to navigate to the Display Preferences section. This will be where you can change your default units of measurement. When you enter the Display Preferences section, you'll see Units of Measurement. This is the area we're interested in. Here, the option might be set to Imperial. If it is, that means your distance is being displayed in miles. To switch to kilometers, change this setting from Imperial to Metric. Once you've made this change, you'll want to ensure that everything is properly saved. So, go ahead and look for a Save Changes button, if available. Some platforms save automatically, so don't worry if you don't see a button. After changing the measurement unit, it's a good idea to perform a quick check to make sure that everything is displaying correctly. Head back to your main feed, or look at a recent activity. You should now see that your distances are shown in kilometers instead of miles. It's a straightforward process, but making this simple switch can greatly enhance your experience, especially if you're more accustomed to measuring distance in kilometers. With this new setting, your workouts will reflect your preferred unit, making it easier to track your goals and analyze your performance. And there you have it. You now know how to change miles to kilometers on Strava. Whether you're preparing for a marathon, cycling through the countryside, or simply keeping fit, understanding your stats in the units that suit you best is key. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next run or ride with Strava.